In this video, we will be reviewing the Moomoo app. Moomoo is a commission-free trading app launched in 2018 by Fuji Holdings, targeting active traders with a suite of professional-grade tools and real-time data. Moomoo is particularly appealing to advanced traders due to its extreme charting capabilities, which include over 100 technical indicators, 45 drawing tools, and access to level 2 market data. It also integrates AI-powered features such as AI Monitor, which helps identify shifts in market momentum, and AI-generated summaries or company financial reports. Despite its many strengths, Moomoo does have few limitations. It does not currently support funds, bonds, CDs, or cryptocurrencies, which may be a drawback for investors looking to fully diverse portfolio within a single platform. Overall, Moomoo blends professionally level trading features with a commission-free pricing structure, making it a strong choice for serious investors who want global market access and robust analytic tools.